Where are you taking it?
Down my downstairs.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for helping.
I roll it down to see.
Oh. Okay, go. Careful, just be careful.
Bye, Mom. Funny.
Let Alo do it, ate. Alo wants to help. You're helping Alo. Okay.
I'm helping you, Alo. I help, Mom.
Oh, good helping, Alo. Thank you, boy.
Mommy, it's the upstairs.
You're going upstairs. Hello, boy.
I frog.
Huh?
I frog.
Frog?
I frog.
You're a frog? Rabbit, rabbit.
It is.
Ate.
It is gone.
Ate's gone.
Wait, Mommy, move.
She's back. She is back. Silly guys. Good afternoon. Another day, another vlog. Happy Tuesday, guys. Hapon na. 1:05 na ng hapon. Tapos na kami kumain. Nakapagligpit na kami sa baba. Kasi aalis kami, guys. Punta tayong post office. Samahan natin si Miss. Tapos punta tayong Kmart. Magbihis muna ako. Leggings.
Leggings?
Leggings.
Oh.
Si Ayla nakabihis na. Do you wanna show the guys your dress? But yan yung sinuot niya kanina. As soon as she woke up, she changed her clothes. And that's what she chose. But I think you need to change it, baby, because it's gonna be cold.
That's okay.
Well, not really. You don't want to be cold outside.
Why, Mom?
Huh?
Why?
Because.
Only wear a jacket?
Yeah, jacket and leggings, Mom.
And
You really want to wear that dress? I can put tights on you.
Mom, what's that?
Huh?
What's that, Mom?
Oh my gosh, ang laki na ng tiyan ko, guys. Big belly. Ang hirap na magbihis. Agay.
Mom, this is mine.
Huh?
This is mine.
That's yours, yes. Do you want to wear leggings or
You
tights?
both have back.
I know. Both have black leggings.
Baby Alo.
You and Mama.
Baby Alo.
Alo can wear black too. You want him to wear black today?
Yeah, I want.
Okay.
Oh, you want to wear back like Mommy and Daddy?
Ay.
Okay.
Alright.
Why are you wearing Thomas too? Oh, my Thomas too. Oh, yeah, Thomas.
I haven't changed. I will change now.
Thomas.
Jamas, you're wearing jamas. We need to change it. Do you want to wear Spider-Man?
No. It's spelled Spider-Man.
Yeah, Spider-Man's there. I'll get it.
Spider-Man.
Do you know where Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Oh.
Oh.
Your hands are very big.
Yeah.
That's so...
You want to brush your teeth? Alo, come here, Alo. Yeah, Alo boy.
What?
Here.
You do.
You're welcome.
You do.
You're welcome.
What's that? I
Brush your teeth.
eat it.
Don't eat it. Brush your teeth, not Raptors.
No.
No. Mommy brush teeth too. Good boy. Good job.
I did. Cheese.
Really? More.
I want the hand. I want the hand.
Oh my gosh, look at the belly, guys. Baby, you're getting big. Did you find it, Arlo? Nahanap ni Arlo yung raptor niya eh. Gusto niyang dalhin. Asa na kaya yun? Umakyat siya. Nanap niya yung raptor. Well done, baby. You went to the toilet? Good job. You want me to fix your dress? Is it all fixed? Okay. Can you help Arlo? I think he's looking for his raptor. Go. Oh, he's crying. Maybe he didn't find it. Help Arlo find his raptor. Gusto niyang dalhin yung raptor na binigay ni MJ. Gustong-gusto niya, guys. Thank you, Dai, MJ. Kahapon pa niya yung nilalaro. Oh my gosh, look at my watermelon, oh. Buyag-buyag, baby, eh. Hirap na gumalaw. Oh, you wanna bring unicorn? There, Arlo! There, the black one.
There.
Where the black one?
No. Here.
That one.
No.
What do you wanna wear?
White.
Ayla.
Why are you wearing umbrella? Why are you wearing umbrella?
Arlo, are you okay in the car seat? Yes? You miss the car seat?
I love my blanket.
You love your umbrella? Alright, let's go. Where are we going?
I do Kmart.
Post office first.
Oh, Kmart first.
Post office quickly and then Kmart. Okay?
Naka-umbrella dito.
Dito na kami sa Kmart. Click and collect. Dito si Arlo. Yung i-collect natin, guys, is yung kanyang hook na incredible hook. In order ni Dan. Kasi nasira ni Dan yung hook na binili namin dun sa Hinky sa Pinas. Nasira yung kamay. So, in-orderan agad namin siya ng ano, yung malaki. So, baka mapalitan na yung raptor mo dong. Ha? What's that? A monster! Kung ano lang tinuturo nito. That's a monster! Dito si Ayla. Tinutulungan niya pili ng case yung tita niya. Did you choose a good one, ate? Did you? Which one?
It's the same as my one.
Ready to open? Ready? Steady.
I want one too.
You want one too? Right, let's just... This is Alos. This is a superhero. This way. We'll look for yours. Ready, Alo?
Open. There's mine.
We'll go look, baby. We're in the shop, so we can look. Ah, so big! Hopefully we don't... Oh no, we have to cut it, mate. We have to cut him. Here. Oh, so big.
Open.
We can't really open him.
No. Okay, I'll try it.
Can we open it? We need scissors. Ah, there you go. Mommy's got it, boy. Ah, so big. Oh my gosh, she's massive. What do you say? You're welcome. Oh, good? Is that strong? Strong hook? Let's go. Dito kami sa pajamas ng kids. Naka-sale. May tag-dus na lang. Oh, ayan.
Size 4.
$2. Size 4. Ay, lasa na yun. Kailan? Hindi na niya kailangan. Ito 2 din. Kasi walang mga pants. Pero Looney Tunes yun, ha? Ayan, Barbie. Oh my gosh, ang cute.
Barbie, but then ano lang.
Walang pants.
$2.
Ay, look. Do you like that?
$2.
Asan yung pants niyan?
There.
Wala siya pan?
I found a toy.
I found a car. A police ka?
Please man. Nawala lagi ang mga
Kaya nga, nawala. Kaya siguro naka-sale.
Mommy. Mommy.
Just wait, ate.
Come on.
Oh, cute kayo.
Wala 15 sa kompleto pa man siya.
Yeah.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Wait. What?
Look at this.
Oh my gosh, Ayla.
Look at this one.
Look at this one. Let me see. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh,
Cute.
it's so cute.
Wait. What's so cute.
It's so cute.
Try this. Wanna buy it, Mom?
Oh my gosh. We don't need that. Well, the baby doesn't really need shoes. Ah?
Mom, because this
Di na na siya nga.
is my dad.
Aw, baby. Shopping pa more. How's Ayla? Nanay mga ikon nga mga sapatos, gibitay.
Asa?
Nada.
Wow.
This is for you, ate?
Why is it not moving?
What do we need to do, ate?
She's crocodile.
It's a crocodile. Dito kami sa labas ng Kmart, my boat. Alright, ready? Ready? Hold on tight, si Arlo. Is it working?
That's right.
Oh! Oh my gosh. Hold on tight. Whee! Seesaw. Seesaw. Wee, careful. Hold on tight. Ooh. No. Where are you going? You're driving? Driving the boat. Kaya nga. Ah. You're driving the boat. Look.
You go to the star, ate. You go to the star. You steer it. Go to the star.
Dito na pala kami sa Kohl's, guys. Kanina pa, patapos na nga kami, oh. May shopping na kami sa baba. Magsisinigang daw si Miss E. Bukas. Let's go. Ay, asa naman si Miss? Tinitingnan ko kung may iron sila dito. Paubos na yung iron ko, but I don't think so. Wala, no? Wala lagi yan. Kasi kapag sa Chemist Warehouse nga binili, limit to 1 lang. So I don't think they will sell it here. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's pay.
That scared you, Tita Rich.
I think that scared Tita Rich too, yeah.
Yeah, it scared me, ate.
That Alo did the beast thing. He said, "What a tea!"
He likes noise.
His toy.
You love your toy, boy?
Mom, Alo
It's a good toy.
Mom, Alo lost noise.
He loves noise?
Noise.
Yeah, he likes noise and he likes making noise. Alright, let's go.
I love making noise.
I know, you're really, really loud sometimes. Okay. Alright. Kanina, ang init sa car. Ngayon, nagaling kami sa labas. Ang lamig-lamig na. Painit tayo ng lubot. Alright, let's go. Home na? Wala na kay kanan?
Wala na.
Let's go home.
What?
We're home! Ito yung mga nabili natin sa Kohl's, guys. Magsisinigang daw si Miss bukas. And yung sa sinigang niya, maglalagay siya ng bok choy, talong, tomato, more talong kasi gusto ko mag-tortang talong for lunch bukas. Carrots. Snacking natin carrots with cream cheese. Sabi ko sa kanya, masarap yun. So, try namin yan. Ipatry ko sa kanya. This is for Dad's dinner tonight. Side dish niya, asparagus. I got 2 packs of strawberries kasi nakalimutan ni Daddy bumili ng strawberries. Nag-grocery shopping na actually si Dan nung pag-land namin. Nag-land kami ng linggo ng umaga, diba? Tapos, nag-nap siya and then, nagpunta siya sa grocery ng linggo ng hapon. So, nakapag-grocery siya but nakalimutan niya bumili ng strawberries. And then zucchini because I'm gonna cook miswa tonight. Lalagyan ko ng zucchini ang ating miswa. Onion. Meron to sa lista ni Daddy din nung linggo. Kalimutan din niya. And spare ribs for sinigang bukas. Garlic. Tapos, dalawa nito. Nakasale kasi siya. 30% off. And masarap to yung Mexican cola. Bumili ako dalawa. And then, malapit na guys. Konti lang to eh. Ito kasi we ran out of our big one for dishes. And then this one as well. Ubus na din yung rinse aid namin. And then, bumili ako na to. Kasi si Miss paubos na daw yung conditioner sa guest bathroom. Itatry natin yung Pantene Miracles silicone-free shampoo. Yung may biotin. Moisture renewal daw siya. So, kinuha ko na lang yung shampoo at conditioner niya because it's 2 for $24. Lagay natin yan sa guest bathroom. Sa Kmart, nakasale yung ito. Tag-piso na lang yung isa. So, bumili ako 4. Nakain na ng kids yung dalawa kanina. But yeah, piso na lang siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung magkano yung original price. But ang cute actually, kasi kinain na nila yung dalawa. Ang cute ng mga lagay. Ang mga laman. Yung isa is penguin, yung isa is camel. Mga animals ba? And then, bumili din ako ng ito, nilagay ko dito. Yung iba. Ito yung toy na dala-dala ni Arlo kanina. Ang laki-laki. Tapos si Miss, bumili siya ng pants from Kmart sa youth section.
Mama, I want my
Kids,
eggs.
youth,
I want
teens.
my eggs.
You know, your eggs. And then, ito yung binili ko for baby. Kasi wala pa siyang ganitong print. Sana wala.
Mom, you
Ayan.
know,
Again, zipper. Tapos yung walang,
I want
hindi close yung paaba. But pwede pa din. Ayan. Foldable lang. Ganda niyan. And then the rest are basura na I think. Hopefully. Ay! Yung Raptor ni Arlo.
Mommy,
I'm just double checking.
Mommy, I want my eggs.
Raptor! Arlo's Raptor.
I want, anyways, open this now. Thank you.
You want this, Alo?
Okay.
What do you say? You're welcome. Here. Yes? Okay, I'll hold Raptor. Alright. Meron pala ako i-open ng package from Yestal. Dumating kanina. Timing talaga. Dumating siya kanina. Nandito na kami ba? I'll just put these away. And start preparing for dinner tonight. Is it too early? What time is it, guys? Ayokong patulugin si Arlo, guys, kasi nag-nap siya kahapon. Ang haba-haba kasi ng nap nito. Natulog, alam niya, anong oras na? Mga 1:30 na. Siguro nga, ano na yun? Close to 2 na. Natulog kagabi. Kasi sabi ni Dan, mas nauna daw ako natulog sa kanya. And I remember I told Dan, oh my gosh, is it really 1:22 now? Yan yung naalala ko na oras nung kagabi. 1:22 ng umaga. Parang lumipas lang yung oras ba? Hindi ko napansin. Sabi ko, late na pala. Kasi si Ayla, sobrang aga niya natulog. Nakatulog siya sa couch ng wala pang 9 ata. Tapos dire-diretso na yun. Hanggang umaga kanina. Siguro naka 12 hours yan ang tulog. Kasi hindi na siya nagnanap. Si Arlo yung nagnanap. Tapos yun nga. Sobrang tagal niya natutulog sa gabi. Kasi ang haba-haba ng mga naps niya. So ngayon, sana maaga siya matulog kasi wala siyang... Nakanap siya actually ng very, very light lang sa car. Siguro mga 15 minutes. But yeah, hopefully.
Egg is stuck.
Egg is stuck?
Egg.
Do you want me to get the egg? Do you want to eat it or no?
No.
You just want to get the toy?
Open.
Ayaw na niya sa chocolate. That's good.
Hey.
Oh my gosh! It's a different one again. That's good. We all got different... Oh, koala! Oh my gosh, this is so cute! It's a koala! Just wait, Alo.
It's a koala.
It is a koala.
Why is it koala?
Paano ba to?
I thought it's a doggy.
It's not a doggy.
I thought it's a doggy, Mom.
It's not a doggy.
Doggy. You hurt my arm.
Oh, another penguin! A penguin! Unbox na natin to, be, habang tahimik. Nasa taas yung dalawa. This is from Yes style. And ang liit lang ng box because skincare na naman to. Puro skincare lang guys. Nag-stock up lang ako sa mga skincare na ginagamit ko na ngayon. And konti lang kasi meron dito yung serum nga na ang mahal-mahal. Yung concentrated ginseng na rescue ampule. Ubus na yung akin. Naubos siya sa Pilipinas, so iniwan ko siya sa Pilipinas. Yung ito ba, 100 something to USD. So, dalawa nito, kasi hindi siya laging available. So, kapag available siya, ina-add to cart ko siya. Ang ganda nito, ang ganda nitong serum to. Gustong-gusto ko siya. And then, I got this as well. Kasi yung gamit ko na toner now is yung glycolic ba yun? Yung binili ko sa The Ordinary. Yung meron ako ngayon is cotton ball lang. So, mahirap siyang mahirap siyang i-unroll yung cotton ball tapos para ma-flat. I got the cotton pads from Anwa na brand. Pinili ko lang sa YesStyle kung ano yung ships within 24 hours. And yan yung ships within 24 hours. So, yan yung pinili ko. And meron pa pala. Dalawang packs ng cotton pad from Pyunkang Mule. Yeah, feeling ko para lang maano yung voucher ko. Kasi nga, binibigyan ako ng YesStyle ng voucher every month eh. Yeah, so thank you YesStyle. SPF 50, this is for Tita Sisi. Relief Sun, para kay Miss yan. Sunscreen. And then, I think this is for, yeah, I got this for Miss as well. Cleansing oil. Kasi pinapagamit ko na siya ngayon ng cleansing oil. Before siya like mag-cleanser talaga na cleanser. Cleansing oil muna. Dinalawa ko pala to. Sunscreen. So, tig-isa kami. Kasi yung kahi, wala na. Wala na sa hindi na available sa YesStyle. Well, the last time I checked, it wasn't available. So, hopefully, we like this one. Ang konti lang ng ating unboxing ngayon. So, if you're interested to purchase from YesStyle, mas mura siya compared sa kung bibilhin mo siya dito sa Australia or kung nasaan ka man abroad. Tapos, kapag umabot ka pa ng 50 USD, automatic free shipping na yan siya. Worldwide. Tapos, you can get 10% off if you use my code as well. My code is Razel10. You get 10% off. And malaking bagay na yung 10% off ha. Lalo na sa mga skincare. If you have to stock up on skincare and stuff like that. Maganda sa YesStyle. What happened? He spit it out. Agoy. Arlo. He doesn't want it? Put it in the bin, please. Pick it up and put it in the bin. Where is it? On the couch or on the floor? On the couch. That's enough, ate. I'm cooking dinner, guys. Nandito na yung sa kids. What are you doing, Alo? Pasta. Niluluto ko lang yung extra pasta nila. Lapit na din matapos. And then yung miswa with udong namin nakasalang na din. Lapit na yung maluto. This is for Danny Boy later. And then, maya-maya ko naluto yung snitzel na Dan. Snitzel kasi yung kanya. Yung sa kids tapos na. Mix. And then, ready na yung dinner nila. Nauna na naman tong kids. No more. That's enough. No more dinner time. Pasta. This is our miswa and udong with zucchini and minced beef. Yan na, luto na yan. Tapos na kami maligo. Tulog si Arlo, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo antok na yung buboy ko. Tumama pa yung muka sa table. Kasi nakaupo siya dito. Doon sa kabila nakaupo siya. Tapos nakatulog siya. Tumama sa table. Lalapitan ko na siya kasi kakargahin ko na ba? Biglang anyway, snack tayo guys habang hindi ko alam. Gusto ko mag-edit. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam.
Why are you playing with it?
So yummy. And black chili. Snack ba? Snacking. Aga natin nag-dinner.
Mom, Mommy, what's that?
Kapag Joy. Miss.
Mom, let's use.
Sarap ito, ate. Si Ayla. Ate Ayla. Eat the burger.
Eat the burger. Oh,
I think she will love this. How's it? This is hard, ate. It's nice.
Mikirig maganda yung ulo ka.
You don't like it?
Ate, so yummy.
Give it to Mama. Thank you.
Ate. Wait.
May kasama pa bubo.
Yeah, chocolate.
It's yummy. Hilig siya dyan sa hot chili.
Ayaw niya.
Pati si Arlo. Oh!
That was very noisy.
Oh, it was very noisy. Alright, here. You want some?
Hello, guys.
Okay.
And now you want the Woody. Woody, Woody. Woody, Woody.
Okay, try it.
I can't see it twice, Mom.
You want to see the guys?
Yeah. I want to say hello.
Yummy? You like it or no? You can give it to me if you don't like it. Si Arlo pa lang sobrang mahilig dyan. Is it yummy?
That's correct.
That's not chocolate.
That's correct. Oh, that one to be one back on him. La 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 la.
Labuan na santa. Ate.
La 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 la.
Can I have some, ate? Thank you.
La la la.
Are you Marina? Are you a mermaid?
Ariel.
La la la.
You're not a mermaid? Are you a fish?
Are you dugong?
Dugong?
No. You're poo poo.
Say goodnight to the guys.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
I'll see you soon.
See you. See you. See you.
Kain tayo dito. Lumoy, nagsulog.
Okay.
I don't know this